Welcome back to my channel. It's Pam, your crochet business coach. I'm so grateful that you returned to us, and I want to help you make the most out of this channel. Your time is valuable. I know you want to be working, you want to be learning, you want to be growing, so I want to help you get the most out of the channel and make the most out of your time. So the first thing I want to remind you to do, if you haven't already, is just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything when I upload new videos or when I go live, so you can join us for live Q&A sessions. Secondly, go ahead and click playlists above. That's where all of the content is categorized into all different categories for makers, for designers, Etsy tips, all of that stuff. So find the category that works best for you and go ahead and watch all of the videos in there to get you where you want to be. Now, if you want to binge watch the entire channel, go ahead and click on the playlist that says Crochet Business Tips and Tricks. That's where everything is housed, and you can just turn it on, start working on your favorite whip, and watch all of the videos that we have for you. Finally, share in the comments. How can we help you? What are you struggling with? What questions do you have about building a profitable crochet business? I'd love to answer your questions, and when you leave a comment below, I will be reading those, and even some of those will make it into our next videos. Okay, remember to subscribe, like, and share these videos. When you do, it helps us grow and it helps us reach a larger audience. We help more makers make the money they want, and in that way, we promote community over competition. I'm excited to walk this journey with you and can't wait to help you turn yarn into money.